So it's Wednesday and we're just getting things together here, and we're about to head out, and we're heading to our buddy Jimmy's at Scotia Machining. And I've taken my head cases down from the Evo cases, the two halves that I put together, and he's going to deck them and do the surfaces of them so we know they're nice and square when we put our motor on. So we're going to get ready and go, and we'll take you along with us so we can have a look and see what's going on. Today to get my cases done, so it'd be interesting to go there and see what we have to go through to get them decked off. He's a great guy, has lots of stuff. He's pretty game. Hey Jimmy, how you doing?
Oh, man, Robbie, how are you?
Ready to do them cases today?
Sure. Cool. Let me freed up.
Yeah. Get at it.
Some mess cleaned up here.
Yeah. Good.
Like I say, I didn't over tighten it, but it's just pretty good. But I got a little jack in the jack.
So you had to make a new piece for this?
Yeah,
side,
I had to make a new one there. The other one was just not hanging on to.
Solid. Oh, I see. I thought you'd have to go through the. Oh, I get you.
Yeah, I get you now.
Yeah, so you made
The two bearings are
thing to hang up. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. I know it's out quite a bit.
Yeah, just get zero there.
Yeah, I thought it like dipped
Yeah,
down in
you
the
get
air.
zero. It does.
Alrighty.
She drops a little there. She's high there.
It's high on that side.
Yeah.
I got like a 5 thou
Yeah.
feeler gauge under it, right?
Yeah.
And that's where it was the worst for sure.
She's like this, up in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing with two halves. You just never know, right?
No, that's not bad though.
And like I say, there are different thickness of gaskets and things you can use to compensate for it, but that's not much anyway. On
15's gonna clean it.
This is what I was concerned about in here.
Yeah.
As soon as I put a rule across it, you could see it.
Yeah, you
right?
see it. Yeah.
But I didn't realize that it was high on this side. But it did go, from there to there.
Yeah. Then this issue here.
Yeah. Oh, it'd be great to put things together. I got everything else ready to go for it, so I just got to paint the cases and all the other pieces are done. My bottom end's done, and the cylinders are done, the heads are done. They're all painted. So I just got to paint this and then put things together. Yeah, this will be cool.
Good to go.
Yeah. Go ahead, then. She's all yours.
All mine. I'm not gonna watch you do it.
It'll be a fun one to play with because they did everything right from scratch. It's always nice to have it, and you don't have to be doing it for somebody else.
What you're going looks like it's going down at the same time, but it's not.
A lot of miles an hour machine.
Oh yeah.
Had that for a long time. Long time. closely eyeball it there?
No, because I set it and dialed that side in with the pin in it.
Yes.
And then, because that's 60 degrees or whatever, so that number of holes.
I get like that sometimes. Is the needle stuck? Or is it where it's supposed to be?
The batteries are dead. I think they are dead.
So I'm here with Jimmy George today, and we're looking at his little Honda. How long you had it?
6 years, 7 years now.
6, 7 years?
Yeah. One owner bike.
One owner bike.
And
Wow.
I was what, 14 when he brought it home.
Really?
Yep.
But he bought it new?
He bought it new. Yeah.
And you followed it all the way through and
1975.
picked it up?
Yeah.
Wow. He's quite a unit.
4,600 original miles.
4,600. Fire it up every once in a while?
Oh yeah.
Ah, cool. Cool.
It's been going for a week or two.
Oh, it's something to see it in that kind of shape.
It'll start. Yeah. I changed the tires on it. That's what I've done.
Changed the tires, took the old ones off, yeah.
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 Sounds good.
That's what it matters. Oh, when it charged.
We got our cases all done, and I'm pretty stoked about that. Jimmy did a hell of a job on them. So I'm looking forward to getting them fixed up and painted and getting ready to assemble this motor. Seems like forever but waiting to do it. And now it's time that I'm finally getting at it. So kudos to Jimmy for fixing me up. He's a good man. All the leaves are changing now. Summer is quickly getting away from us. That's all right, because I don't mind that when we get into fall and winter, I get more chance to work on things, so it's great that way. I would certainly hate to see the snow come. Well, we're back from Jimmy's, and we've got our cases decked, and I'm really happy about that. They turned out great. They turned out great, and after realizing that putting the two halves together, we had about a 19 thou difference across that we had to take off of it in order to even them up. So even though we could see light through the small ruler that we put on there, and I could put a 5 thou feeler gauge through it, it appeared and turned out that it was way high on one side. As we had the case halves, this side was way higher than this side. So as you've seen, Jimmy did a great job on them. And I'm excited about getting started at this project. We have a lot of the other pieces complete, the cylinders, the heads, things like that are done, painted. So we really just got to take care of these cases, get a coat of paint on them, and we'll get started at this project. Follow us through.